In this video, I'm going to show you how to find royalty-free videos that you can use in your Reels and stories and all that kind of stuff. Now, I'm focusing on Reels and stories because we want vertical videos. So the first thing to do is while you're on Pexels, you can see that it says Home, Videos, Leaderboard, Challenges. We're going to click on Videos. And so now in this video, I'm going to type in dancing, let's say. I just used that recently, so dancing. And so now you can see it has free dancing videos, but I'm going to go to the filters. Do you see the filters over there on the right-hand side? Let me just show you really quickly. Right here, do you see where it says filters? So I'm going to click on filters. And then after I click on filters, do you see where it says all orientations right here? I'm going to check vertical. So in the orientations, you want vertical. So this is the section you're doing. Drop down and you're making sure that you choose vertical. Okay, so now that we want vertical dancing videos, these are all videos that would be perfect to use because now they're in the orientation that we need a reel on. And what I do is I actually do this on my phone. So I go to Pexels on my phone and I find the video and I download it on my phone. That way it's downloaded on my phone. Now I use an iPhone. I'm not sure what type of phone you use, but pay attention to where your video downloads. So on my iPhone, the video downloads in my downloads folder. I then go to the downloads folder and play the video and I save it to my camera roll. And that is so I can find it really quickly to add it to my Reels. So depending, just know where you saved your video. And for me, it's the easiest thing to do is to make sure that it gets into my camera roll. That way I can use it as easy as possible. So really for Pexels, it's as simple as, here's the video that I want to use. I'm going to click on free download and it's going to download the video. You can see right there, it just downloaded that video right onto my computer. I could take it from my computer and move it to my phone as well, AirDrop it or whatever works for you. So this is how to find royalty-free videos that you can use on your Reels and stories and all that good stuff. If you wanted to find, horizontal videos, you just come back up to orientations, you choose horizontal, or if you want to make videos, easy ones for Instagram, you can choose square. So it has different orientations there and it even has different size videos. So thanks, bye.